So a good few months ago, well, it was last year actually, I did an unboxing video of this Parkside vacuum, which you can see there. There it is, PWD 30C1. And I spoke a little bit about potential upgrades you can do to it to make it a more reliable machine. So I'm just going to talk about that today. So these are all the bits you get as standard. You get this cheap kind of, they do the job. One's for like wet floor, one's for dry floor, your main hose, a couple of adapters there. One thing the Parkside can do is it could be used as a wet extractor, liquid extractor, but it doesn't really come with a very good attachment for it. I guess you could use that, but anyway, I measured the diameters of stuff and stumbled upon this on AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description. This is a proper extractor fin which will suck liquid up through it, and it came with this pipe here, and it's a direct fit onto the existing hoses. Another thing which you should bear in mind is this Parkside vacuum doesn't come with any kind of cover for your filter, and I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube where people have actually broken their machine wet vacuuming because splashes got on the paper filter in there and got into the motor. It's a bit of a oversight by Parkside, but if you just go on AliExpress, you can get these, which are over filters, which you should slide over the filter when you're going to be wet vacuuming. It's just going to kind of disperse the water and the splashes and absorb some of them as well, so you're much less likely to damage your machine. And finally, for extremely dusty dry vacuuming, I'd really recommend these, like cotton over filters again. Sure, you might lose a tiny bit of performance, but this is going to catch all that very fine dust and particles which would otherwise just get sucked into the motor. So you extend the lifespan of the motor so much just by sliding this on, and these are washable. All three of these were bought on AliExpress. Again, I'll leave links in the description. I did see that you can get them on Amazon in my country, but it was way cheaper on AliExpress, so yeah. Today I've recently bought a house, and it came with these 2-year-old mattresses, and they'll do for now, but what I want to do is a bit of a wet extraction on them, just to get them as clean as possible, and then put down a waterproof topper, so my body is never going to be touching, you know, their bodily fluids basically. Until I can be bothered to get another mattress, it will do, because it's a decent quality one. But so I'm going to be using this to do it. So first thing, I need to slide this on the filter, which I'll show you now once I've assembled the feet on it, because I've not even used it yet. There is your bare filter. If you can imagine water being in here, potentially sloshing around, it's just going to get sucked up here. So let's just pop this on. It could do with being a little bit taller, but well, maybe not actually. Let's have a look. And there we go. It actually ended up being a completely perfect fit. So yeah, as I said, that's just to protect the motor and the filter from water. I'm only doing wet extraction with spray, so I'm not going to be sucking up much water anyway. So anyway, let's carry on. So here it is. I was a bit wrong. You do actually have to use one of the adapters, and I can't remember if this came with the vacuum or the the extractor attachment. And this isn't really a great example of pure water extraction, because it's just a light mist on the mattress. You can see the stains there. So it's not really going to extract much water. It's more to prevent mold and just get as much out as possible. But yeah, that's essentially it. We'll do a quick demo, I guess. But yeah, I'm not making great progress removing the stains, but that's more of a skill issue than an issue with the vacuum. I think you need special chemicals, but I've got some other stuff I'll try on it in a minute. But yeah, that's essentially it. So it's just going to prolong the life of the motor, and that in particular is a really useful attachment, especially if you do a lot of carpet cleaning or car interior cleaning. So yeah, then I'll just rinse it out when I'm done. Hope this helps. But all in all, great machine.